How to delete your Rockstar Social Club account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Rockstar Social Club account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete your Rockstar Social Club account, it's very simple. Just open up your browser and then you want to go to socialclub.rockstar.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box. So just go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. Once you go to socialclub.rockstargames.com, you want to make sure to simply sign into your account by tapping on the sign in option and then going ahead and simply entering your email and password and then signing into your account. And once you go to rockstar.socialgames.com, right over here you will see this kind of interface. And once you go to this, you'll see this kind of interface where you simply have to tap on the profile icon from the top right of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called help. So just tap on help, and under help you want to go to the option called support. And once you come to the option called support, again you'll see this kind of interface over here. And what you want to do is over here it says what do you need help with. So you have to choose the game for which you want to delete your social club account. I'll just choose the option called social club as well, and over here again I'll choose the option called social club account. Once I choose social club account, over here at the bottom I'll find the option called delete account and information. Just tap on it. Once I tap on delete account and information, you just check the box to confirm that you understand the above notice, and to delete your account all you have to do is tap on the option called submit web ticket. When you submit a web ticket, social club is going to get back to you with an email to delete your account permanently. And that's all it takes to delete your Rockstar Social Club account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.